Okay, hi class. So today I'm going to read What If Everybody Did That? It is by Ellen Javernick and it's illustrated by Colleen M. Madden. When we went to the zoo, I fed just a little of my popcorn to the bear. The zookeeper waved his broom and said, "What if everybody did that?" It says, "Please do not feed the bears." And what do you notice over here? It's showing you that what if everybody fed the bears just one piece of food? They would get fat and unhealthy. I just wanted to see how fast the grocery cart would go. It went faster than I expected. When the manager stopped me, she said, "What if everybody did that?" She probably said it more angrily. "What if everybody did that?" She looks kind of mad. So over here it's showing you what it would look like if everybody decided to see how fast their grocery cart would go. Looks like people are running into each other. It looks like eggs are, like food's just going all over the place. On the way to visit Grandma and Grandpa in Kansas, I dropped just one soda can out the window. The patrolman who pulled us over said, "What if everybody did that?" I'm noticing a pattern, right? The page on the right is the page that's showing us what if everybody did the same behavior that this kid did. What happens over here if everybody just throws one soda can out the window? Right? It adds up. That's littering. And then there are animals out there. That turtle has a can on its back. At Uncle William's wedding, I took just a little lick of the frosting from the fancy cake. The lady behind the table glared at me over her glasses and said, "What if everybody did that?" Oh my goodness. That's what the cake would look like if everybody just took a little bit of it. That seems pretty disrespectful to me. I told the babysitter that I took a bath just once a year. As she shooed me into the bathroom, she said, "What if everybody did that?" Oh my goodness. So I guess this is like a family picture. Or if everybody just bathed once a year, ew, look how dirty they are. That'd be kind of gross. During story time, I had something important to say. I just couldn't wait till the end of the story. The librarian put her finger to her lips and said, "What if everybody did that?" So over here, it's showing everybody calling out, everybody thinking they have something important to say. So everyone's shouting at once, "I gotta go potty. Why can't we read one of those other books? I've already heard this one. My mom said that recycling is a very good thing, and we recycle in my house, and once I'm so hungry. How much do you weigh? I can see my toes. I can touch my toes, see?" And this girl's asleep. So it seems like they're showing just like what would happen and how disrespectful it is to do these things, because if everybody did it, it would be a crazy world. While we sat in the car waiting for Dad, I honked the horn. I just honked a few times, but Mr. Thompson came to his door. He shook his head and said, "What if everybody did that?" Oh my gosh, what if everybody just honked their car whenever they wanted? That guy has his hands over his ears, it seems like. It would be loud, it would be chaotic, it would just not be good. At the swimming pool, I just splashed a little. The lifeguard blew his whistle and said, "What if everybody did that?" And you can see the picture over here. Everybody splashed. On the bus, I just stood up to see the fire truck. Mr. Gearshift glared at me in the rearview mirror and said, "What if everybody did that?" So if everybody was standing up to look at the fire truck, it would be dangerous. Just once I didn't hang my coat up on the rack at school. Miss Sanders made me pick it up and said, "What if everybody did that?" You can see the picture over here. At recess, I threw just one snowball at Sammy. Mr. Walters saw me. When he sent me to stand by the wall, he said, "What if everybody did that?" And notice the picture over here as well. I hope you're seeing a pattern. When we went out for dinner, I just shot one straw wrapper. The waitress stopped taking our orders and looked straight at me. She said, "What if everybody did that?" Oh man. They're not being very respectful, right? After the football game, I just ran on the field to get the quarterback's autograph. The official waved his arms and said, "What if everybody did that?" Notice everyone running to get an autograph. It wouldn't be okay if everybody tried to do that. When I came home, I gave my mom a hug. What if everybody did that? Everybody should. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from that book. Like, just because we want to do something, it might not be respectful, but it might not seem like a big deal. But imagine if everybody did that, right? Then it would be a big deal. So we all just have to follow the rules. You're going to be doing an assignment on Seesaw that's sorting respectful things and disrespectful things. And I think you guys are going to do great.